Hey guys, it's Chrissy Teigen and Hey guys, I'm here with Tasty and we're gonna be cooking up my jalapeno cheddar corn pudding and you're gonna love it. So this dish was actually one of my earliest recipes. I started it on my blog. This is the way that we love to do it at our house. You know, you just want something nostalgic when you're eating around the holidays. Hey Google, cook with Tasty.
Welcome to Tasty.
Oh, just my jalapeno cheddar corn pudding. First step, cutting the corn off the cob with my trusty bundt pan. I always make a ton of sides for Thanksgiving. I mean, I care about it more than the turkey. I care about it more than my protein. I'm like, I need 20 different sides. And this is kind of the star of the show, this corn pudding, because it's nice and sweet, it's nostalgic, there's so many memories around it. Bam. Cornstarch is important. It makes it nice and thick. It makes it all bind together so it's not just like your regular old flowing cream corn. It makes it like a casserole, which is delicious. All right, gonna whisk it up, get it nice and smooth, get those lumps out. I am a staunch supporter of the no breakfast team. You can't have breakfast on Thanksgiving. Stop having dinner at 3. This is crazy. There's nothing, it's still a day. You can still eat at like a normal dinner time. Just have a little snack here and there. That's why I put out the deviled eggs. But no, sit down breakfast. You stick with your egg. Those jalapenos, don't touch them. There should absolutely be seeds in jalapeno. I think that's what gives it its heat, its flavor. Obviously, the seeds do cause issue. Make sure to use gloves. And honestly, I have kids now. I am definitely omitting seeds more than I used to. Any parent knows that you're always thinking about their tummies or their poops or their bellies or like their next day, how's school gonna be if they have this ingredient? Jalapenos are dangerous business, but I love them. Just kind of give it a good fold. I wouldn't say aggressively mix it. We want to keep those kernels nice and big. We don't want to pound them out too much, but make sure all the yolks are broken. Good sound. Picking that up. That's good. Next, we're gonna add our butter. We gotta melt it again. The holiday season is all about family and all about food, and I think of the kind of atmosphere that we're gonna create for our families. Do I wanna do a sit-down dinner? Do I want it buffet style? Is everyone gonna be on the couch? But we're still always going to center it around family coming together. I have a really small family, so it's so cool for my small family to get together with his large family, because they all genuinely get along. Top with the cheddar that you kept, right? Boom. And then pop it into the oven. Hey Google, start a timer for 50 minutes. Good girl. Hey Google, show me a trick for peeling garlic. Hey Google, how many cups in a pint? 2 cups of beer. It's not that bad, I feel like. Hey Google, how do you eat a lobster? Hey Google, how much time is left on the timer?
T-minus 3 seconds.
Boom, 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 coming in. Look how good that looks. Oh, it smells so good too. You are gonna love this. There you have it. It looks delicious. It's nice and warm. I can't wait to dig in. That is so good. Hey Google, give me some applause.